Yeah. Thank you so much for everyone for joining in. And before we start, I just want to say 1, 2, 3, 4 was a time. If you kind of observed it or you didn't, it had to do with the change we're looking out for in our money reality. And so, how does it get better than that? So 1, 2, 3, 4 is an access number, not an angel number, but access number talks about some future reality shifting completely with the kind of future you would like to have. So before I start, everyone comfortable with English or hi in Hindi की जरूरत है? Hi couples, बच्चा छोटा couple, hi. Yeah. So before we start off with the call, I just wanted to ask you to lower your barriers down, because today what I'm going to be saying is going to be a little different or could be intimidating, and that's absolutely okay. So all your past juniors that you have, which is projections, expectations, separations, rejections, and expectations with this call, that ये call करने के बाद आपकी दुनिया बदल जाएगी and ये हो जाएगा, or you would like to compare this call with other calls that you've had so far. Can we now just try and uncreate all of that? Right, wrong, good, bad, purple, line, shots, boys and beyonds. So just in case you're not an access person, this was a clearing statement. So, and we shall explain it in access classes, or you have a lot of material already lying around, you can go have a look at it. Thank you so much. Having said that, so let's not go into a conclusion इससे क्या होने वाला है, क्या मिलेगा, money reality होगा कि नहीं होगा, you know, can we just put and talk every conclusive reality we have with money, can we now destroy and uncreate now, so that you can clear the stuff that you have about money, or you were told, or you were brought up with, or you have seen around, and receive something completely different. So tell me, no, I will tell you, okay. I will ask you when I need to. So this is, you know, some people live in poverty, live in lack, and some people have a lot of wealth. We see it all the time around us, don't we? Right? कईयों के पास बहुत है, कईयों के पास है ही नहीं, and stuff like that. Do you think it's got to do with their intelligence, their education, their luck, kismat, destiny, karma? What do you get? Okay, or work habits, or the choice of work they're selected, you know, like Bill Gates, computer hai bhai, technology hai, that's why he'll have more money. Do you think that it is that? Anyone? No. Okay, some people saying no. Okay, right, fine, great. And if you do think and you have a point of view that it's probably because of that, can you now destroy and uncreate it times a quadrillion? Right, wrong, good, bad, purple, line, short, I'll give you the secret, and the magic is consciousness. And you would wonder, what has money got to do with consciousness? And consciousness includes everything, it judges nothing. And consciousness also includes the energy of money, because when we're saying I'm an infinite being, we have that energy called energy of money in us. And that's the another thing, that, you know, we're carrying a lot of demons with us, demons of money, demons of other people's realities, demons of our parents, people we are connected to or we're disconnected with. We're carrying a lot of demons, and then hence we kind of miss out the thing that we are here to create, or what are we aware of, right? So there is a lot of faulty programming being installed. And who installs it? Maybe a lot of times this reality, and a lot of times we install it for ourselves, because वही दिख रहा है, वो दिख रहा है, तो वो जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, and then you store it, right? So having said that, what is the faulty programming look like? You need more money to achieve your goals and have financial independence, or save for a rainy day. How many of you believe that? बुरे वक्त के लिए पैसा होना चाहिए. तुम्हें नहीं पता बुरा वक्त कभी भी आ सकता. अरे एक ही जन ने हाथ उठाया है, लेकिन सोच सबकी वैसी है. But that's okay. कोई एडमिट नहीं करना चाहता. नहीं, I'm in access now, I don't think like that. But यार पैसे बचा लो, ये क्लास के लिए वेस्ट नहीं करना है. Okay, everything that is, can we destroy and uncreate? Right, wrong, good, bad, for client, save for retirement. बुढ़ापे का क्या होगा? बच्चे तो चले जाएंगे, आपका क्या होने वाला है? Right? So you saving for a rainy day, or you have to work hard, जोर लगा के हमेशा, and then what do you get? पैसा कमाने के लिए बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. You have to struggle it out, you have to rough it out. पैसे पेड़ पे नहीं उगते हैं. पर पहली बात तो पहले पेड़ उगाना पड़ेगा, फिर पैसे उसके ऊपर. I mean, that's a long process because planting is also another journey. So everything that is, can we destroy and uncreate? Right, wrong, good, bad, powerful, line, short, burn. इसका underlying reason क्या है? Would anyone want to say that? The underlying fear क्या है? The underlying fear we all are living with today, especially in the new reality after Corona, is what? There is not enough.
Paucity of
I love you,
resources.
Navneeta. Yeah, Navneeta. Yeah, there is scarcity. It's a scarcity consciousness we are living with. There is not enough. And even if you work hard, okay, have you seen people, Mazdoor sabse zyada work hard karta hai. Does he have a lot of money? No, he doesn't. And wherever you've decided that you have to be the Mazdoor of your life, can you destroy and uncreate that? Right, wrong, good, bad, perfect, line, short, going on. Trust chala gaya hai that the universe is abundant and it has space for everyone, and is now the space that you could claim it and have it for yourself, right? So how many of you pretend, or no, not pretend, you actually are busy. I'm not saying that, and I'm not trying to judge you for that. How many of you try to show that you're busy so that people don't perceive you as lazy? Busy रखना अच्छा रहता है, you know. I'm so busy, I don't have time to breathe. So that means you must have millions in your account, right? But it is not translating into that. So how many of you are occupied with the word called I'm busy, and there's busyness in your life? If your busyness would create the business that you're looking out for, wow, you would rock, man. Because the kind of, ऐसे तो चीटी भी बहुत बिजी होती है, पूरा दिन खाना इकट्ठा करती रहती है, but you know, उसको खाना मिलता है कि नहीं, who knows. Anyway, so everything that you're doing to keep yourself busy and really not make money out of that busyness, can you destroy and uncreate that? Right, wrong, good, bad, purple, line, short, boys, meons. So here we are to expand your awareness and your consciousness around money, from scarcity to prosperity. So scarcity is lack, and prosperity is samruddhi, abundance, and everything that you're looking out for. Because we are inching towards Diwali, and Diwali is all about abundance and prosperity and lighting and lot more to come, and Lakshmi ji coming home. How many of you actually light a diya so that Lakshmi ji can come over? Just that it doesn't knock at your door, that's enough. And then when it does, and you don't open the door. So everything that is going to destroy and uncreate. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, poker, line, shorts, boys and beyonds. So, and how many of you here think that money will make you happy and secure? Happy and secure. Don't give me access answers. अंदर वही बात चल रही है. Happiness तो पैसे से आती है. Thank you so much. Everything that is right, wrong, good, bad, can you destroy and uncreate now? Right, wrong, good, bad, for client shots, boys and beyonds. So also judgment. How many of you are really stuck in judgment? Not just that you've gotten into access and like now it doesn't matter. Okay, I'm above all of this. No, but yes, judgment does matter. Oh, you're looking so gorgeous. You're so good. You know, you're so this. You look horrible. You look ugly. Oh no, I can't take this. You know. So positive or negative? Judgment is a judgment. Oh, we love positive judgments. Oh my God, how much I would be dying to say like, यार मुझे कोई अच्छा बोल दो, कोई अच्छा बोल दो. You know, like अंदर से, बाहर से, I'll be like, nah, it's okay. I'm good. I don't care. And when you use this term called I don't care, you really care so much. You're getting so fucked and pissed that I don't care. How many of the times you say that to your family members? I don't care. And then you're doing everything that they're asking you to do. Wow, everything that is in you now destroy and uncreate. Right, wrong, good, bad, purple, line, short, boys. So when you get stuck in a judgment, what happens is it cuts off your capacity to receive beyond that judgment. So suppose I say, hey, Manvi, looking so good, man. I mean, this picture is very hot. So what you will do is more often than not, she'll probably keep wearing the same outfit and try, you know, like you get stuck over there. You can't receive beyond that judgment. You get stuck and your capacity to to receive more or beyond that goes away. So here we are, we have to ask how to go beyond that judgment is what must I know, be, receive, and perceive that would allow me total clarity and ease with money, wealth, prosperity, possibilities, and abundance. I'll repeat. What must I know, be, receive, and perceive that would allow me total clarity and ease with money, wealth, abundance, prosperity, and possibilities. The only thing is we don't ask
Once more.
Once more. How's the जोश है? अभी तो पैसे ही बार शुरू नहीं हुए, सबके जोश बुझे हुए से लग रहे हैं. Give me some energy. Yeah. What must I know, be, receive, and perceive that would allow me total clarity and ease with money, wealth, prosperity, and abundance, and possibilities. And everything that doesn't allow that, please destroy and uncreate it all. Right, wrong, good, bad, like a burn. Because where is it your clarity is getting stuck with other people that are telling you that आगे के लिए बचेगा नहीं. Okay, and guess what? Your point of view creates your reality. If you want to create that reality, kudos to you, but then you can change it, and you're the only one who can change it. What are you aware of is the question. Where is it that you're not willing to take that leadership role of trusting yourself? Leadership does not mean that मेरे पीछे line आ रही है and following होनी चाहिए. Leadership is that you're standing alone even when people are not choosing to come with you or follow you. So are you willing to step into that leadership role of trusting yourself when nobody is trusting them? And everything that doesn't allow you to trust you beyond your wildest capacities, can you destroy and uncreate? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pocket, line shots, boys and beyonds. So what will it take for you to celebrate your life? From clothes to everything, to parties, to everything, the shoes, the brands, the accessories, whatever you're wearing, whatever you would like to wear, what will it take for you to have a life of party and celebrate your life? Because guess what? Money comes to those who have, it's a party happening, and then money comes more to them. And guess, even Lakshmi ji doesn't knock at the door of a dukhi pala banda, okay? If you're having fun, she wants to come and join you. Oh, maze kare. So where is it that you're not allowing yourself to have maza? Because everyone told you that maze se na bahut zyada addiction ho jati hai, and then bahut kharab ho jata hai sab kuch. Itne maze achhi baat nahi hai. You can't have that kind of maza and celebration. Everything that is, can you destroy and uncreate now? Right, wrong, good, bad, purple, line shots, boys and beyonds. And how many of you love your financial story? पता है ऐसा हुआ फिर ये हुआ फिर अभी मैं क्या बताऊं मैं I don't have money to spend for my pads also. So that some people like that story. Not saying you're there, but you would have heard that story. You don't know, I went through shit, and then my in-laws did this and I did this and blah blah. How many of you love your financial story? So you keep reminding yourself how fucked up you are with your money flows. Everything that is, can you destroy and uncreate now? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, line shots, boys and beyond. Can you destroy and uncreate all your decisions, judgments, conclusions, computations, your expectation, projections, rejections, separations that you have that don't allow you to expand your life and become thoroughly and totally abundant? Everything that is, can you destroy and uncreate now? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, line shots, boys and beyonds. And what will it take for you to claim, own, and acknowledge that money can't make you happy, or money can't make you powerful or secure? What if it's not money? What if it's an energy that you have to have within you? If you're powerful, could you not have the money and the kind of demand and commands that you could have around? The whole question is, paise to hai hi nahi. To paise nahi hai to power nahi hai. But what if you reverse the whole thing and say power hai to paise hai? So all these people who are really rich and powerful, how many bodyguards do they have? Are they really powerful? Can they really do anything alone? They can't, because they're scared. And they're scared that people will take away their money. That's why they need a battalion of those bodyguards. So if you had true power, would you really require anybody around you to save you, to protect you, to guard you and stuff like that? Or guard your money for that matter? Because security is within. So a lot of people say, Delhi nahi jana hai. Delhi dar lagta hai. Kyun? Because the news keeps talking about rapes and everything out there. But do you really, there are people living in Delhi and they're happy, they're fine. Not everyone's getting raped. So please, it's a fear factor that we allow to clog our mind with. Same thing with Corona. How many people died out of fear? So how many of you are dying out of that fear that I won't have money, I don't have money, I may not have money in the future, or I need to have way more to have a life that I'm desiring? And everything that is, can you destroy and uncreate? Right, wrong, good, bad, part, line, short, boys and girls. So what will it take for you guys to you take that responsibility that everything that occurs in your life is your responsibility and you claim it? You're the one who's creating it. Nobody from outside is coming and doing it. And you will have all reasons and justifications to give me that, oh, nahi, iski wajah se nahi, uske, oh, mera na divorce ho gaya tha na, iski wajah se aisa ho raha hai. Everything that is. Don't give yourself reasons and justifications, because that never works. I did that. I did that for a very long time. Oh, by the way, I just forgot. I'm Kavita Kapoor Khalsa. I'm a certified facilitator with Access Consciousness. I should have started with that. And I have ADHD, and I kind of go everywhere, and then I come back to the point. But and my life was not like this always. And if I want to talk about my journey, I did not have money flows at all. My money reality was worse than what you guys would have today. Or at least it was definitely not good. Okay, I before buying anything, even traveling by flight, I would think 10 times and not travel by flight, because मेरे पास सिर्फ ट्रेन टिकट के पैसे होते थे, वो भी पेरेंट्स को मिलने जाने के लिए, and I did not have the courage to ask them कि पैसे दे दो. So from coming from that reality where I didn't know what कल कैसा होने वाला है, because suddenly you become a single mother and all your money that you had as incentives because you're working in a corporate job, and then you lost everything because divorce happened to you, and then nothing happens to you. I created it. And then going through the tough times so that I can prove I'm a hero of my life, you know, मैंने किया ये. But yeah, that was my journey at that time. And then completely taking a plunge that देखा जाएगा क्या होता है, what worse can happen, and then jumped into Access Consciousness, which was beyond my means at that time to kind of even afford. It could be beyond your means today that you think that you can't afford, but when you jump into it, trust me, it will teach you how to sail. It'll teach you how to swim. I haven't learned swimming though, but yeah, it will with money and other areas of your life. Literal pani mein jana, mera dar khatam ho gaya kafi. I can float now. I can't swim still, but yeah, that's the literal meaning. But where I was to where I am is a lot of people say 360 degrees. Then somebody said 360 to aapko wapas goal pe le aayega. So I don't want to go by numbers. Okay, my geometry was not good. So whatever it is a 1000% shift. Okay, if I have to then put it that way. Because 360 is like a round, right? So I don't know. Anyway, so if you would like to have that kind of reality, trust me, to trust you, and know that you know, and know that you can change everything. If bars can contribute so much, guess what other classes of Access and Gary and Dane, what they're talking about, can contribute. And the very fact that you're on this call means that something has shifted in your world too. So every morning when you wake up, can you just say, just for today, my life is a celebration, or will be a celebration, only just for today. You may or may not celebrate, that's another thing, but just for today, my life will be a celebration. And see what magic you will create, because it's your point of view that creates your reality. Every day ask for the greatness of you to show up, because that's the only thing that we do not acknowledge, that we are great. We are not great, because nobody said that we are. When you were born, you were just brought up and that's it. Nobody ever said that you're great. Do you think that you're great? Do you think that the things that you do make you great? Not really. Sabko hi kar raha hai, mera kya hai usme, farak kya padta hai? And everything that you're not acknowledging that is great about you. Can you go to that point of conception when you were born, like, you know, like a seed, egg and a sperm, and then no, not egg and a sperm, whatever that is, biology, and then you're like growing, you're still growing, and you're changing every day. Oh my God, that's so much of a miracle. You're so magical. And no, but you're not great. How does that feel? You have to do great things to be great. And what if you could just trust yourself that you're great, and then you start creating great things? Not by just saying I'm awesome. No, I'm not saying, oh, I'm awesome when I'm fucked up. No, I'm not saying that. What if you could recognize that the mess that you're creating is also great? Wow, kya gand phailaya, you know, that kind of thing. And everywhere you're not willing to acknowledge your own self-created mess and gand, can you destroy and uncreate that? Right, wrong, good, bad, for client, short, boys and beyonds. So greatness of the talents, the uniqueness, the total abilities that you have, the awareness that you have, that is the greatness I'm talking about. Because not many, it's only less than 30 people out here who are willing to come on a money call. So can you imagine that only these many people are here to make that difference in their life that they're asking for? It may reach out, this call may reach out to people later on, but currently that's the only change that you're looking out for, right? So can you guys acknowledge that how talented you are, how amazing you are, how brilliant you are, and with your awareness and stuff that you have, intuition powers that you have? That's what creates money, by the way, because it's going from scarcity and lack to prosperity. Who's creating that scarcity, by the way? So constantly we're listening to news channels, they'll tell you kitni kami ho rahi hai duniya mein. And then you start creating that as your reality too. So stop pretending that you are weak, pale, uninteresting. How many of you think that I'm uninteresting? Koi aayega hi nahi mere paas. I'm not good enough. Okay. So how many of you really think that you're weak? Again, don't give me access consciousness answers. Do you think that you're weak? Yeah. And everything that is. Thank you for being truthful to yourself. Being vulnerable with yourself is a gift that you can have. Okay. Acknowledge that you're saying that I'm weak, but honestly, you're not. So everything that brings up in you, can you destroy and uncreate, right, wrong, good, bad, purple, line, short, boys and beyonds? And be as unconventional, weird, wacky, outrageous that can you be, because that creates money. If you're being wacky, if you're being weird, if you're being outrageous, you're being, uncomparable, and being uncomfortable creates money. If you're trying to be in your comfort zone, no, it wouldn't create money. So Radhika Jain out here yesterday, she asked me a question, and I asked her that please ask in the class, and that was, what was that, by the way? Can you repeat that question?
Let me look it up.
Yeah, she said the question. I said this is nice and this could contribute to the class, or not the class, but the people who are joining for the call. Am I expecting too much or something? Something on those lines that you. Am I not an allowance of the universe?
Why do I feel I'm stuck in creating money? Am I expecting too much?
So now that's a question that she's asking me. What if you ask yourself, am I expecting too much? And then pod and talk every expectation you have, and then ask a question again, what could I do to have way more in my life than I could ever ask for? Right? Instead of questioning the other person, am I expecting too much? And what if you desire more in life, and what is right about that? What if you did not have to go into wrongness of that my desires, I've got too many desires. I want to have a private jet. I have one in my toilet, but no, I mean, private jet is something that you would like to fly in, right? Okay. So you need to ask that, okay? Okay, I would like to have that, and what will it take? And what if you did not have to cut it off there? Thank you, Namnita. Okay, cool. So what if you did not have to judge that abhi paise nahi hai to mere paas kabhi nahi hoga, abhi nahi hai to kabhi nahi hai wala conclusion? Can you just put and fuck that? And everywhere you've defined your limitations so beautifully. We love our limitations. No, I can't have it and I won't have it. Can you destroy and uncreate that now? And be receiving compliments, to accolades, admiration, at the same time, criticism, disappointments, and ridicule. So if people are judging you and making fun of you, and behind your back they're talking and they're saying, oh, ye kya hai, receive it. What is that going to create? Do you think all these celebrities, everyone loves them? Do you think politicians, everyone loves them, or they hate them? They just receive everything and judge nothing, and they still keep doing what they know is true for them. So where is it that is stop? Where are you stopping yourself? How many people have you seen जिसको compliment दो वो थोड़े पीछे हो जाते हैं? नहीं ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. आज बड़े सुंदर लग रहे हो. नहीं ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. थोड़ा सा मेकअप किया कर लिया था ऐसे ही. वैसे normally नहीं करते हैं. We're not able to take compliments. We shrink. ये सबके सामने क्यों दे दिया कॉम्प्लीमेंट? नहीं, अगर पर्सनली भी दिया होता तुमने वैसे ही रिएक्ट करना था. ये ना सरोजनी नगर के कपड़े हैं. Nobody is asking you where did you buy it from. You're looking good in whatever you're wearing. Receive. Now that's a compliment that we are giving you, right? The second thing being that, you think that you're like a mean person and you this and that, and you don't care about your mother and your daughter and your father or whatever, and then receive that too. What are you aware of? Are you like that? Are you a mean person? And if if you're getting a yes, because yesterday I had somebody come for a swap here, and she said, yeah. So I said, are you a bitch? And she started laughing. She's like, yeah, actually I am. I said, so admit it and not have a judgment of it. Because if you have a judgment of that, then people are going to trigger you, and you're going to block yourself and create walls and not receive. So everything that is, can you destroy and uncreate now? Nothing is real. No judgment, no criticism. It is not real. So receive it all, because judging you or anyone else is not going to create money at all. So what are you aware of? Where is it that you're cutting off your receiving? That no, I don't want people to see me like this. Okay, suppose you're trying to be very pushy with your sales and clients and everything. So, nahi, I don't want to be pushy. I don't want to be, people should not take me as desperate for money, I'm desperate for clients. No, I don't want to do that. It doesn't feel good. Everything that is, can you destroy and uncreate? Wherever you define that you don't want to be this or don't want to be that. If you have a jewelry store, would you, I'm not saying go out on the street and lelo. I'm not saying that. It's a jewelry store. You just start valuing first that you're in a jewelry store. But if you're sending out offers, mailers, people who don't want you can always ask them unsubscribe or, block us if you don't wish to receive it. But will you stop promoting your brand? And what if you are your own brand? So Radhika, tell me, if you are your own brand and now you've started access classes, how will you approach me?
I first have to, I think, embody the brand that I'm talking about, be that. And then only people want to reach out to me.
You be the invitation that, hey,
exactly.
What, I'm doing this. And be in no expectation that I'm going to come to you. चाहे मेरी लाइफ कितनी झंडू हो, तुम्हें पता है कि मेरे को जरूरत है, you saying मैं बोल रही हूँ उसको जरूरत है, but I may still not choose, and that's okay.
That's okay, because your receiving is totally dependent on that moment, what your energies are.
What if I have a judgment of you and I don't want to come to you and I'll go to someone else? That's okay too. It took me a long time to come to that realization that let people do it from whoever, as long as they do it, and that's more important for consciousness of this world. We're not saying mere paas hi aana chahiye, ja, that kind of thing. So you are sowing a seed. वो किधर भी जाके अगर germinate हो तो होने दो. Point is, are you willing to be that energy? Are you willing to be judged? Are you willing to be abused? Are you willing to be vilified? Because we've been there, done that. And now, because you had that capacity, that's why you're in here, and you shut it down so badly that you've forgotten where the key is. You're the lock, you're the key. What if only you know where the key is? And you just keep doing it, and one fine day people will start showing up. And what if you did not have to compare कि last ऐसा था और अभी ऐसा है? And everything that brings up, can we just join and create right, wrong, good, bad, for client, choice, boys and girls? So ask a question. If I had a lot of money, what would I be that I currently am unwilling to be? So just imagine if you have $100 million in your account. पैसे आ गए जो चाहिए थे, यही तो चाहिए था, पैसे आ गए अभी आपके पास. अब आप वो बताओ कि आप क्या करोगे या क्या बनोगे, that you're refusing to be now, and get the energy of that, because you're behaving like a garib insan, and then wherever you've decided garib insan and the begging thing, I can't beg people now. Everywhere you are averse to beggars. Can you destroy and uncreate that too? Have no point of view, whatever it takes. Okay, a child, look, go into the energy of a child again. चाहिए तो चाहिए, वो नीचे मिट्टी में लोट के माँ, रो के माँ बाप से ले ही लेता है. And you know that you've done that too. I will not eat food. If that is it, okay, go on satyagraha and do things, but whatever works for you. So some people say, नहीं मुझसे तो खाना नहीं छोड़ा जाएगा, इसलिए ये नहीं हो पाएगा. Now everywhere you say I can't is where you're limiting your money flows. I can't be this, I can't do this, I wouldn't want to. And then you're saying पैसे आ जाए अपने आप ऊपर से, प्रभु पैसे दे दे. Like, प्रभु can, but will you be willing to receive it? Because वो अपने 10 हाथ लेके तो तुम्हारे पास नहीं आएगा. ये लो पुत्र पैसे, ये रहे तुम्हारे पास, या you कान से बच्चा पैदा हो रहा है, like that's not gonna happen, dude. Today's world we can't have that. Everything that is we just try and create our fantasy world that we're living in. पैसे यहाँ से आ जाएंगे. Foreign talk that. Okay. So if you had a lot of money, what would you be and you that you're currently unwilling to be? Ask that question. Right. So if there is anything that you're not willing to do or be for money, ask that as a question too. Is there anything that I'm unwilling to do or be for money? And the best part is, you know what? Humanoids don't really care about money. What they care is about creation. You like creating. And so can you just concentrate on that? And you know that money is a byproduct. It will come. But if you're not enjoying your creation, money is not going to show up. So if you think you're creating, but you're not having fun, don't do it. Change it. Be the energy that you would really like to be, and then keep asking the question, what am I unwilling to be or do? So unwilling to be or do would mean receiving judgment on a call like this, and then talking something big, and then people judging you for that. We don't want to be judged. Trust me, even though we may say that, okay, I'm fine being judged, but we're not okay being judged. Even if it is from this, I can't see people's videos. They're, it's okay. But the judgment comes through that still. Everything that is, can we destroy and uncreate all the judgments we have today of us, of others, can we destroy and uncreate completely from all dimensions of time and space? Right, wrong, good, bad, purple line, judgment. Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, you said very right. Like, yes, we say I'm clearing judgments, I'm willing to receive, but we are not willing to receive. And I have observed earlier, I used to go into that, contraction. And then later on, I figured out, okay, it was judgment and it was my, response like that. So how can we build that muscle, like slowly, receiving judgment?
Very beautifully said, Dr. Namrata. It is about building a muscle. So एक दिन में muscle नहीं बनती है, right?
हाँ.
तो वो can you have that patience with you कि हाँ आज मैंने पहला दिन gym का join किया है, and this is called mind gym where other people also influence a lot. इसीलिए वो muscle बनते बनते time निकल जाता है. So it is an interesting point of view, is one of the biggest tool that you can have in your toolbox. An interesting point of view is you are neither aligning or agreeing to other people. You're not resisting or reacting to anything that people are saying.
Yes.
Including you. आप ही के कानों में आवाज आएगी, तेरे से नहीं होगा, तू रहने दे. Balance. I know तेरा balance बिगड़ जाएगा. Are you into yoga or something because your photograph?
No, it's just a photo.
अच्छा, just a photo. ठीक है, सिखा.
I love that pose.
Yes. हाँ, मतलब I have achieved that. You can always tell people ये मैं कर चुकी हूँ. It's okay. So yeah. So being that interesting point of view with yourself, especially, it's not about other people, because if you don't have a judgment of you, then दूसरे लोग आपको बोलेंगे भी तो फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा.
Awesome.
Because see, if I, for example, if I have a judgment of my dance, I'm going to judge myself, and then I'll put out a video, and then people are going to judge it, and I'll be like, देखा मैंने बोला था नहीं आएगा कुछ भी इसमें से, right? Now, if you didn't have a judgment of you, मैं तो डालूंगी, किसी को नहीं देखना, आंखें बंद कर ले. If that is the space you are in, then people will say, अच्छा है, बुरा है, doesn't matter, you're doing it for you.
Right.
How many of us are really doing things for other people and not for ourselves? And that is one of the restrictive areas that we don't make money. Because we're trying to be nice or people pleasing and be so goody that good people don't get too much money. Okay, interesting point of view. Right, wrong, good, bad, powerful, nice. So how many of your nice bahus out here, or nice, really nice, okay, don't want to do so much for the world. Paise nahi chahiye, it's okay.
I was.
And पीछे hammer lag raha hai, paise aane de, paise to chahiye na. And then you're in a conflict with that money. Aata nahi. Paise aate nahi. Yeah, so everything that is, acknowledge what am I not willing to be or do for money. And how many of you are Amitabh Bachchan fan? मैं गिरे हुए पैसे नहीं उठाता. Okay?
मुझे मिले थे एक बार मनी कॉल के बाद.
पर तुमने उठाया नहीं.
कॉल नहीं होता तो मैं नहीं उठाती. कहीं ना कहीं यूनिवर्स ने दिया.
That is called building a muscle, because तुमने उठा लिए पैसे. Okay?
हाँ, अब मैं उठाऊंगी. And it was 1,000 rupees. I asked everyone around.
How nice. How cool is that? You know, so you have to not watch Amitabh Bachchan movie and take it too seriously. And even if you're watching, you can watch him. That's okay. But if you kind of, मैं गिरे हुए पैसे नहीं उठाता, you know, can you just pardon for that?
Yes.
मेरे को अच्छे से पैसे नहीं, suppose you're asking your husband is like throwing his wallet on the bed and like मैं गिरे हुए पैसे नहीं उठाती ना, पर ठीक है ना, पैसे है, how does it matter? Please take it, receive it, thank you, तुमने पूरा wallet दे दिया, वापस नहीं मिलेगा. Can you be that energy, right? Having fun with every second of your life. जिगर 1000 का नोट चलता था, okay, like 2 500 के हो सकते हैं, it's okay.
हाँ वैसे ही थे कुछ.
हाँ वैसे ही थे.
I asked everyone.
तो मतलब उसके फिजिकल शक्ल पे चले गए, 1000 का नोट नहीं है.
I asked everyone around actually कि आपका है क्या, because I didn't want कि बाबा किसी और के ऐसे ही उठा लूं. Then there was
now that okay, पहले थॉट तो यही आया ना, ऐसे ही किसी के उठा लूं. So
नहीं ऐसे नहीं आया, मुझे लगा कि वाओ, लाइक चलो मैजिकली मिल गया. बट लेट मी आस्क, अगर किसी और का है तो लेट्स पूछो, मतलब पूछ सकते हैं. फिर एक आदमी आया, मतलब वो शायद मुझे ट्रिक करने की कोशिश कर रहा था, पर उसको पता नहीं क्या हो गया. बोला नहीं मेरा नहीं, आप ही ले लो. Then I took it.
how okay, so what were you aware of?
Why like there is something opened up, like कैसे भी आ सकता है money, you know, just let go of point of view.
Let go of your points of view, and first of all, you know that over kindness that you have, that okay, जिसका है वो ले जाए, मेरे पास तो अपने आप फिर प्रभु दे देंगे, ऐसे ही ऊपर से गिर जाएगा. Can you destroy?
Oh हाँ, right.
Right, wrong, good, bad, for clients.
No, I'm doing that only, like whatever I get, there is some मतलब वो एक in train कर दिया है कि दूसरों को दो, वो सिखाया है. अभी I'm not that like कि अच्छा बनो, just giving is good. But still there is some part जो सबको देना चाहता है और खुद को पीछे रखना चाहती है.
That's a fantastic point you've given me. Givers, how many people are givers on this call, by the way? I like giving. Very good. We are all givers, right? So receiving का क्या scene है सबका? I would like to receive वाली category है. I would like to receive. Sometime in future, I know I will have money क्योंकि जितनों को दिया है वो लोग मेरे को उसका interest के साथ return करेंगे. Is that how you think you are? Okay. So give, and then now मेरा गड़ा खाली हो गया. Everything that is that you're emptying your own pot of money, that or pot of possibilities. Can we destroy and uncreate that?
Yes, please.
Right, wrong, good, bad, for clients. So what projections, expectations, separations, rejections, judgments, and significances do you have that create a scenario where you are like mentally, you say, I can't. Okay, I can't do it. And all your I can't do it, can you destroy and uncreate it now? Right, wrong, good, bad, for clients. So where have you defined that you can't do something? Like for example, it's a foundation class. I can't do it. बहुत महंगा है. Okay, I can't. So it's like a I can't category, okay, that we create. So like I had an I can't with cooking for a very long time. Very long. The longest that lasted until Corona came, of course, because तब कोई था नहीं, करना ही था. So I can't do it went away after Corona. How does it get better than that? So all your I can'ts, even with money, okay, can you dance like a joker or be the joker in a circus for money? And everything that brings up, can you destroy and uncreate? Right, wrong, good, bad, proper lines of the. Can you con people? Are you willing to con? मतलब कौन हो तुम, वो नहीं, कौन नहीं, उल्लू बनाना लोगों को. Can you?
अंदर से नहीं आ रहा है.
अंदर से नहीं आ रहा है. Okay, acknowledge कि अभी नहीं आ रहा है. You will get there because everywhere you're not willing to con people for money. Can you destroy and uncreate? Because see, what you're not willing to do, you will end up avoiding it, and then eventually you will create it. आपने अच्छे नहीं करना है तो भी लोगों ने कहना इसने झूठ बोला है.
हाँ.
Everything that you're avoiding, you're still creating. Can you please destroy and uncreate? Right, wrong, good, bad. So what kind of work or activity you can't imagine yourself doing? Anyone would like to say something? I can't do this. Oh God, no way. Can you say that? Anybody? What have you imagined that you can't see yourself doing?
Maybe borrowing money.
And everything that is, can you destroy and uncreate? Right, wrong, good, bad, purple line, shall be. Yes, Juhi.
I can't lie.
You can't lie?
Yes.
Can't lie. Okay, so everything that is, can you destroy and uncreate? I can't drive. Parminder ji is saying I can't drive. Okay. So all your I can'ts, can you just close your eyes and get to the energy of that I can't? Is it heavy or light?
Heavy.
And every lie that you have installed in your universe that you can't, can you destroy and uncreate that?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, purple, line, short, boys, and girls. So also start, who is driving? Okay. Also ask a question to yourself, what is your time worth? तो अगर आप 1 घंटे का सपोज यहाँ पे हम अज्यूमिंग आप लोग ज्यादा सेशंस करते हो, हीलिंग करते हो, या सपोज क्लाइंट कांटेक्ट है या कुछ है, 1 घंटे का क्या प्राइस है आपका? So everything that chokes up, blocks you, what is your time worth and value to you, okay, that you are only not aware of? So how do you expect other people to kind of give you that value? Priceless में price थोड़ी तो बतानी पड़ती है ना. You can't say I'll charge 1 billion for your session. People play रख अपने पास अपना session. Can you destroy and uncreate? I show with that purple line. You are priceless. But you have to acknowledge that. What is your time worth you? Okay. And everywhere you see I'm worthless, I'm not worth it only, I don't deserve this, or I deserve this, and you're stuck with that deserving capacities of yours. Can you destroy and uncreate that now? Right, wrong, good, bad, purple, line, short, boys, and girls. What am I not being that would give me everything I desire in life? So my point would be stuck over there only. What is it that you're not willing to be? That if you were willing to be, you could get a lot of money. What are you unwilling to be or do? Radhika, you tell me. Okay, so I'll tell you my journey. मैं शुरुआत की थी पास फैसिलिटेटर से, मैं लोगों को मैसेज ही नहीं करना चाहती थी. एक बार कर दिया बहुत है ना. And now there were other people who were constantly hammering messages. अब वो मुझे तो चिढ़ मचती थी, इतने मैसेज कौन करता है? Okay, now that. What are you unwilling to be or do? Are you willing
That's
to
exactly, you know, Kavita, that's
Yes,
exactly
yes.
the discussion we were having today in our bar swap group with me, Joe and Sonia, that how many times this guy who's doing Osho Zen is messaging us and how pushy he's been with sales, and you know, what is our point of view on that?
Yeah.
And you're like, no, we would never do. And I said, that's what his job is. And I've been in sales for 10 years. So you know what it is when you're in sales.
Yeah.
I have done that, blocked with enough. But today, I think with Access, what we come to a space is that what is it that we can invite in our energy rather than push. So be that energy so people are
What
automatically
energy?
attracted.
Precisely. So you don't want to be pushy, but what if you were in allowance of being that? My point is, you don't have to be pushy. I can't. I feel I bring that word called I can't. I find it very heavy. कि यार पीछे क्या पड़ जाना है? आना होगा आएंगे ना तो एक बार बता दिया. It's like, you know, foreigners वो खाना पूछते एक बार उसके बाद नहीं पूछते. They're not like Indians. खा लो खा लो खा लो खा लो खिला के भेजेंगे. And you know, death by food is here in India. वहाँ नहीं वो they'll ask you, would you like to have something? Okay, अपना अपना ले आओ सारे. You know. So that's how they are. So where is it that you're limiting yourself from having that kind of energy that, oh no, I can't call them again and again? And what if you did not have to talk about your class or your sessions? You just simply could engage with them in a conversation. How are they doing? How they be? Would they like to? Would they know anyone else who would like to do? You know, and could they just pass on a word? And that's about it. You don't have to sell your product because Access is not a saleable product. You can't sell something which is not saleable. You have to be the invitation. Yes, Juhi.
So these things happens to me every time. किसी को एक बार कुछ बोल दिया फिर दूसरी बार बोलने की वो हिम्मत नहीं होती क्योंकि वो लगता है कि ये क्या सोचेगा ये क्या
हिम्मत नहीं है हिम्मत
या मतलब वो डर लगता है कि यार कितनी बार बोले
डर लगता है all the lies that you're holding on to, can you destroy and uncreate?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, perfect, line. वो क्या सोचेगा? Okay, everything that वो क्या सोचेंगे, can you destroy and uncreate?
Yes, please.
Right, wrong, good, bad, perfect, line. But what if you could just simply express yourself and not have a point of view about it? Yes, Ravi.
Hello.
Yeah.
कविता जो आपने बोला कि कौन की एनर्जी है मतलब उल्लू बनाना या झूठ बोलना, सो वो एक एनर्जी के बारे में थोड़ा अगर एलोबरेट कर पाते जैसे अलाउंस.
माय पॉइंट इज, अगर आप हम लोग जैसे हीलिंग के फील्ड में है, राइट,
Yeah.
तो हम अपनी बात को इस तरह से रखते हैं तो भी लोग हमको यही सोचते हैं कि हम उल्लू बना रहे हैं. तो
Yeah.
अगर आप उल्लू बनाने के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से अगर आप देखो, क्या आप जेन्युइनली बना रहे हो, बना नहीं रहे हो. लेकिन अगर आपका ये पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, मैं लोगों को उल्लू नहीं बनाना चाहता हूँ, आप ना बनाने के चक्कर में भी आप बनाते चले जाते हो. बिकॉज जिस चीज को हम अवॉइड करते हैं वो चीज क्रिएट हो रही है अपने आप ही, और फिर भी लोग आप पे विश्वास नहीं कर रहे. तो अगर आपका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू हट जाएगा उस एरिया से कि हाँ ठीक है, अगर मैं उल्लू भी बनाने को तैयार हूँ इस चीज के लिए, सो कई लोग आएंगे आपके पास जो उल्लू बनना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि शायद वही उनकी लर्निंग है. लेकिन हम अपने अंदर से ये नहीं कह रहे कि हम उनको उल्लू बना रहे हैं. सो इट्स एन एनर्जी दैट यू हैव टू प्ले विद, दैट आर यू विलिंग टू कॉन पीपल. कौन आर्टिस्ट लोग जो हैं, जो लोग मैजिक खेलते हैं, सब करते हैं, वो भी उल्लू बना रहे हैं, बट दे आर गेटिंग मनी आउट ऑफ इट. Then it's not about hurting or harming people. It is about having the energy कि okay, I'll be there, be and do whatever it takes. कि पैसा है तो मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ. Right? For example, you are the CEO of your company, लेकिन उस दिन प्यून नहीं आया, so I am willing to go and take a cup of coffee myself also. नहीं, this is मेरी शान के खिलाफ है. I'm not going to do that. It's about that getting into that energy. I can be or do anything that it requires. कि कोई अगर मेहमान आ रहा है, I'm the CEO of my company and कोई नहीं है प्रेजेंट करने के लिए, मैं कर दूंगा. You know, it's like that energy. Instead of cancelling your session or your meeting on that day कि आज कोई काम वर्कर नहीं आया है तो मैं नहीं करूंगा. So आप मतलब मैं नीरव मोदी जैसे उल्लू बनाने का, I'm just simply saying उन्होंने बनाया, right? They had the energy and they had no point of view, and उसके बाद कोई guilt नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं. Yes, okay, fine. I know what I'm doing, and then they created whatever they created.
कविता, just to add के जैसे lie बोलते हैं, so हम कुछ भी झूठ बोलते हैं तो हमें याद रखना पड़ता है, और सच बोल रहे हैं तो याद नहीं रखना पड़ता है. So ये एक point of view आता है कि
So, but if you're not willing to, say for example, ये डेन जो है, हम डेन, ये सारे हम जो ह्यूमनॉइड्स हैं, हमारे को झूठ बोलने में बहुत दिक्कत होती है. झूठ बोला ही नहीं जाता है, फिर भी लोग सोचते हैं हम झूठ बोल रहे हैं. ओके, एंड आई स्ट्रगल्ड विद दिस फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. चाहे मैं एक्सेस में नहीं भी थी बहुत पहले, तो लोगों को यही लगता था कि ये तो कुछ छुपा रही है या झूठ बोल रही है. तो जब झूठ बोलना शुरू किया तो वो लोगों को सच लगने लगा कि नहीं, अब ये सच बोल रही है. सो अगर आपका झूठ बोलने का कोई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ही नहीं है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हमने अपनी क्लास करी थी सीएफ ट्रेनिंग में, उन्होंने कहा कि वैक्सीन के लिए, तो उन्होंने कहा बड़ी कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल दो, एंड मिरर के सामने खड़े होके जहां बोलने की जरूरत है वहां बोल दो, एंड डोंट कैरी दैट गिल्ट इन यू कि ओ शिट मैंने झूठ बोला. वो मोमेंट में वो जरूरत थी इसलिए बोल दिया. Now, if you have a point of view कि नहीं मेरे को सच ही बोलना है, then सारे लोग आपके बैंड बजाएंगे, क्योंकि उनको आपका सच पता चल गया है. अब वो आप ही के बैंड को बजाएंगे एंड आप उस पे नाच रहे होगे. So जहां you have to ask a question, what energy space consciousness is going to work here? यहाँ मुझे कौन सी एनर्जी की जरूरत है? यहाँ झूठ बोलने की जरूरत है. ओके, सपोज आप अपने बीवी से पूरा सच बोलने जा रहे हो, वहां ही आपकी लग जाएगी, राइट? सो व्हाट इफ यू जस्ट रिकॉग्नाइज कि मेरे को यहाँ क्या बोलना है एंड क्या सुनना चाहते हैं. सी, झूठ वो होता है जो आप वो सामने वाले को सुना रहे हो जो उसको सुनना है. हम जो है ऑनेस्टली के सारे करता है, तो हम सब ऑनेस्टली सब बता देते हैं, उसके बाद हाँ यही तो है, तो फिर तुम्हारी बैंड बजती है वहां पे. ऐसा आई एम सिंपली सेइंग व्हाट इफ यू डिड नॉट हैव अ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, क्या झूठ क्या सच. सी, किसी के नजरिए में वही जो आपने सच बोला है वो 100% झूठ होगा. तो अगर सच झूठ का हम सिर्फ उसका रॉन्गनेस निकाल रहे हैं, हम सिर्फ कह रहे हैं ये पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू नहीं रखो, एंड बी द एनर्जी दैट यू बी इन एनी मोमेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर आप मेरे पास आते हो, बोलते हो बाहर से क्या क्या हो सकता है, और आपके उस समय शायद मॉनेटरी इश्यूज चल रहे हो, तो मैं यही बोलूंगी कि आपको पैसे मिल जाएंगे. क्या इमीडिएट मिल जाएंगे? नहीं मिलेंगे. वो बार्स रन करने से जो एनर्जी जनरेट होगी, आपके अंदर क्लैरिटी आएगी, आपके अंदर ईज आएगा, आपकी एंजाइटीज कम होंगी, यू विल बी एबल टू क्रिएट इट. पर वो मोमेंट में, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट सेशन तक जब तक आप आते हो, आप बोलोगे इसने झूठ बोला था, कुछ नहीं होता, पैसे तो आए नहीं. नाउ दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, that if you had no point of view about सच और झूठ, you will be able to create it with lot of ease. Yes, Jigar.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Jigar.
What if we don't go into the justification of lying and we just lie And we ask how much lie can this contribute, you know?
Absolutely. How much lies? So what will it take for you to go beyond your definitions of lies and go beyond lies, lines of control and manipulation, and still create what you desire to create?
Even the sound of it sounds so fun to me. I mean, it makes me so happy.
Yeah, so then keep creating whatever you know is true for you. And have no judgment about yourself then, because then there will be people who will still judge you and you will be able to receive it, because those are the projections that we all and this reality we are living with. So if you can go beyond this current reality, create a different reality, going beyond that reality, brilliant. How does it get better than that? What will it take for you to create what you know is true for you? That's all I'm saying. So what definitions are you using to create your limitations around money? Are you choosing everything that is, can you now destroy and uncreate? Right, wrong, good, bad, perfect, line, shows, boys, beyond. What will it take for you to have that kind of job, career, business, you know, and make the best use of known, unknown capacities, attitudes, and enable you to generate an abundant life that is fun to work, and happy people to show up in your life with total ease? And everything that doesn't allow that, can you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, perfect, line, shows, boys, beyond. Yes, Ravi.
कविता, जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि हमें नोइंग होती है कि सामने वाला जो बोल रहा है वो सच झूठ है, सो हमें पता चल रहा है कि वो झूठ बोल रहा है, सो वो नोइंग में आएगा कि जजमेंट में आएगा?
वो नोइंग में आएगा. एंड देन यू डोंट हैव टू हैव अ जजमेंट कि ये झूठ बोल रहा है, मुझसे झूठ बोल रहा है, मुझे पता चल रहा है. नो, नो जजमेंट टू दैट. यू गेट टू नो दैट सामने वाला झूठ बोल रहा है, एंड देन यू प्ले अलोंग विद इट. Because see, if you're going to resist or react, you're going to create issues over there. You know सामने वाला आपको बहुत अच्छा से झूठ बोल रहा है. You don't have to buy into it. You just simply say, अच्छा चल ठीक है, let me think about it and come back to you. Suppose you're doing a deal and you know सामने वाला आपको झूठ पिला रहा है, right? Don't have a judgment. Receive from that झूठ also, and then you have a choice now to choose or not to choose that particular person. Because it's clear cut, you're knowing, it's not a judgment. But a judgment would be that you have an energetic charge around it, emotional charge around it, and that becomes solid in your body. तब वो इंसान वो सच भी बोलेगा, वो आपको झूठ के जैसे लगेगा, and that will lead to a lot of triggers in your reality. तो वो triggers के साथ अगर आप देख रहे हो तो वो judgment. बिना triggers के देखे उसको receive कर पा रहे हो, मुझे पता है ये गलत है झूठ बोलना. Then you're receiving it for what it is and not judging that this is a bad person, he's a liar, and you know people should boycott this person. No, that's a judgment.
You're saying about the pathological liars, huh?
Sorry?
Pathological liars.
There are a lot of, but as long as you are aware of it, Kapil, because वो awareness में आप उनसे वही use करोगे जो आपको उनसे use करवाना है. Like I classic example of a mytho character called Krishna. Did he not know that the people who were there were Juta and whatever, what were Kauravas and all, right? They knew about it, right? He knew about their thing, but he did not judge them. He still received and created whatever was required to be done. That is what I'm saying. So what are the infinite possibilities of a job, a career, or a business, or that is expansive, generative, and contributive to you, and add to your life to show up with total ease? Everything that doesn't allow it to show up with total ease, can you destroy and uncreate it now? Right, wrong, good, bad, perfect, line, shots, boys and beyonds. So what will it take for all those people? Now close your eyes and tap into the energy of that universe where there are people. Okay, there are lots and lots and lots of people, known and unknown people, looking for your known and unknown abilities, that some abilities you are not aware of. So tap into that energy. Push your barriers down, aage, piche, upar, niche, sare taraf se, just push your barriers down and be that energy to tapping into people, known, unknown, that they can reach out to you with your known and unknown capacities, capabilities, knowledge, experience, to find you with total ease. And they would be willing to pay you the amount for your services that you would like to ask for. Whatever amount you ask for, tap into those people now. And everything that doesn't allow that, can you please now destroy and uncreate it times a thousand? वो सारी limitation जो आपको कहते हैं ऐसे थोड़ा ना लोग मिलते हैं, ऐसे कहीं से नहीं आ सकता, मुझे कौन देख रहा है, मुझे कहाँ से ले लेगा कोई, ये तो possible ही नहीं है. All those negative, like this is not possible, all those voices that are there, can you please now destroy and uncreate? Right, wrong, good, bad, purple, line, short, boys and beyonds. What generative energy, space, consciousness, and choice can your body and you be to attract all the known and unknown people who are looking out for your known and unknown abilities, capacities, capabilities, knowledge, experience, and find you with total ease and pay you what you're asking for and willingly pay you. In fact, जैसे आप मांगोगे 30 रुपया वो देंगे, नहीं आप 100 ही रखो अपने पास. Wow, wow, wow. Like get into that energy. That I want to give you more for what you've done and not less, and not come to you for negotiating and discounting and, you know, like ye de do, wo de do and all. They will pay you more than what you're asking for. Tap into that universe. I know ये universe कहीं ज़्यादा दिखा नहीं है और available आपको लगता है नहीं है, but can you just be that energy to tap into that so that you bring out your own known and unknown capacities and capabilities. Everything that doesn't allow that, can you destroy and uncreate? Right, wrong, good, bad, purple, line, short, boys and beyonds. What is it that with money के साथ आपका क्या रिश्ता है जो रिश्ता इतना बिगड़ता जाता है या आता ही नहीं है या वो आपसे रूठ के बैठा है? तो पैसा अगर आपका दोस्त है, आपका यार है या आपका प्यार है या आपका लवर है, जैसे भी आप उसको देखना चाहते हैं, कहाँ है वो, कहाँ खो गया है, किसके पास चला गया है, 2 टाइमिंग कर रहा है या मल्टीपल टाइमिंग कर रहा है, वो जहां पर भी है, कैन यू इनवाइट दैट मनी, वो प्यारा इंसान जो है कहीं तो भी है, into your life and say what is it that lover is asking you to do? क्यों रूठा है इतनी बुरी तरह से? कहाँ तुमने उसकी वैल्यू नहीं करी या इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं दिया या उसको प्यार नहीं किया या उसको मान नहीं दिया? Can you everything that is, can you now destroy and uncreate? Right, wrong, good, bad, perfect, line, short, boys. या कहीं तुमने अपने ही दीवारें इतनी ऊंची कर ली कि वो आना भी चाहता है तो आ नहीं पाता है क्योंकि तुमने उसको नाम दे दिए हैं, गंदा है, काला है, बुरा है, अच्छा नहीं है, ऐसा पैसा है, ऐसा नहीं चाहिए, वैसा चाहिए, इसका पैसा नहीं, उसका पैसा नहीं, यहीं से चाहिए, वहां से नहीं चाहिए. पैसा तो आना चाहता है, वो रास्ते जरिए ढूंढ रहा है, तुम अपने रास्ते जरिए बंद करते हो. जहां पे भी तुमने अपने रास्ते और जरिए बंद करे, कैन यू प्लीज नाउ डिस्ट्रॉय एंड क्रिएट दैट? राइट, रॉन्ग, गुड, बैड, पॉट, लाइन, शॉर्ट, बॉयज एंड बियॉन्ड्स. एंड डाइव इनटू योरसेल्फ. अपने अंदर झांक के देखो कि क्या मेरे अंदर ऐसा खासियत है जो किसी में नहीं है, और हो भी तो उसमें अपने आप को कंपेयर नहीं करना है कि वो मुझसे बेहतर है. जहां भी आप अपने आप को जज करते चले जा रहे हो, कैन यू प्लीज डिस्ट्रॉय एंड अनक्रिएट दैट नाउ? वो सारे कंक्लूजन की कोई नहीं आने वाला है, कोई देने नहीं वाला है, कहीं दुनिया में कुछ मिलने नहीं वाला है, दुनिया खत्म होने जा रही है. ऑल दोज नेगेटिव थॉट्स दैट यू पिक्ड अप फ्रॉम दिस रियलिटी, कैन यू रिटर्न इट टू सेंडर and destroy and uncreate it from all dimensions of time and space now? Right, wrong, good, bad, purple, line, short, boys. Everywhere you feel मैं तो बहुत comfortable हूँ, इतना ही आ रहा है, इतना ही चाहिए, उससे ज्यादा चाहिए ही नहीं. Can you destroy and uncreate that too now? इतनी मेहनत करने की कौन करेगा? इतनी मेहनत छोड़ो, क्या करना है? आज भूख लगी, कौन बनाएगा खाना? छोड़ो, क्या बनाना है? Everything that comes up in your world, in your universe, that you're not willing to be or do for yourself, can you destroy and uncreate? Right, wrong, good, bad, purple, line, short, boys and beyonds. Everywhere you're afraid कि मेरे को मेरे बच्चों का future set करना है, and for that becomes your driving force to create, for creating money. Can you destroy and uncreate that? Right, wrong, good, bad, purple, line, short, boys and beyonds. What will it take for you to create a life of abundance? कि मेरी life set है तो सबकी हो जाएगी. And everywhere you're bleeding your energies and letting your energies get dissipated for other people. Can you destroy and uncreate that? And what will it take for you to pull that energy from the universe, from every molecule around you, from everybody, everything in this universe, in this galaxy, and then pull it to you and allow that to be a flow of energy and flow. And every pore, every molecule, trillions of cells are receiving that energy, that you are it. कुछ बाहर से नहीं होने वाला है, अंदर जो है वही बाहर आएगा. तो कहाँ है जो वो हमने अपनी एनर्जी को छुपा के रखा है, जो मनी देख नहीं पा रही है, इसलिए वो आ नहीं पा रही है आपके पास. Everything that is, can you destroy and uncreate now? Right, wrong, good, bad, powerful, line, short, boys and beyonds. कहाँ मैंने अपने को बंद डिब्बे में छुपा के रख लिया कि मनी देख ही नहीं पा रहा है. And all those, what will it take for you to get out of control, out of form, structure, significance, out of linearities and out of concentricities for all eternity? Everything that is out of definitions and limitations also. Right, wrong, good, bad, powerful, line, short, boys and beyonds. In many lifetimes that you would have taken those oaths, vows, swearings, fealties, commitments, binding, bonding contracts, ki no, I misused money, I have splurged money, मैंने पैसे की you've had power issues with money, and then you decided that money was a bad thing. You now push your barriers down and revoke, recant, rescind, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate it all. Right, wrong, good, bad, powerful, line, short, question. What if now is the time? And as Dane says, what if now is the space? Could you create that space and remove the junk that you have created with money and let that get dissipated out of your system so that the space that you're creating now will allow possibilities with money to show up with total ease, joy, and glory. And everywhere you're now willing to have ease with money, can you destroy and uncreate it now? Right, wrong, good, bad, perfect, line, short, boys and beyonds, and all that you feel money is not me, me is not money. I am only interested in creating and talking to people and not having money for that. Can you destroy and uncreate? Right, wrong, good, bad, perfect, line, short, boys and beyonds. And pull a lot of energy into that money, into that business that you're looking out for, every molecule that can contribute to you, your business. You are your business, and then have it all. And have so much fun that people notice you and start judging you. Life of party. Why is it that we pushed it to sometime in future and not now? Is now the space. Just allow yourself to have that space with money. Remove all the stuff that is not required. Like you do the Wali clearing. do all your clearing with money, and then so you can have Dhanteras coming with a lot of dhan in your life. Everything that doesn't allow that, can you destroy and uncreate, right? Wrong, good, bad, perfect, line, short, boys and beyonds. So yeah, cool. You can open your eyes if you had them closed, because I had closed my eyes. So yeah.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you.
to
Thank you.
everyone for being on the call.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
So much. Thank you.
Super.
Thank you.
Super.
Thank you.
Thank you. Happy
Wonderful,
Diwali,
thank
and happy Diwali in advance. Happy Dhanteras, and have create a lot of money. And if you have some breakthrough, do let me know, and we can showcase you on our show. And show pe nahi aana, that's also okay. But they can just have a breakthrough. That's more important. So have fun in everything that you're doing, and then see your reality shifting. So बाकी of course foundation classes आ रही हैं और उसमें बहुत सारा माल मिलता है, literally माल मिलता है, और फिर आप माल बन जाते हो. So please join if you know anyone जिसको माल बनना है और माल कमाना है. Come to foundation classes, and yeah, and let's create together, because जो हम teamwork से create कर सकते हैं ना, वो अकेले you know बिखरे नहीं शायद create कर पाते हैं कभी. So come together. Let's create that energy that the world is also waiting for, and you waiting for. Stop waiting. So thank you, Dr. Namrata, and thank you, Ravi. Thank you all the new people who've joined, and all the old people who've joined. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Savita,
Bye.
amazing clearing. It was different.
Thank you so much
your
for receiving it,
contribution.
sweetheart. Thank
Can
you.
I ask one question, because it's just ticking?
Yeah,
If
please.
you don't mind. Yeah.
Bolo.
So energy, I perceive like energy, not just million, billionaire energy, but then can you talk about actualization? Yeah, some things they do actualize, some things they don't.
So where have you decided that you can't actualize, and where are you stuck in manifestation and not actualization?
Okay.
See, manifestation is हाउ थिंग्स शो अप इन योर लाइफ, कैसे चीजें आएंगी, तो आप हाउ में फंस जाते हो. यू आर, इट्स नॉट अबाउट मैनिफेस्टिंग, इट्स अबाउट एक्चुअलाइजिंग. मतलब यहाँ फिजिकल रियलिटी में जाए कहीं से भी आए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैं पैसे मांग रही हूँ तो मेरे पापा दे या मेरे पति दे या मेरा बच्चा कमा के मुझे दे, इट डजंट रियली मैटर. Okay, now that is actually, so we are limiting that. And come to our classes, बहुत सारी एनर्जी और बहुत माल मिल जाएगा. माल दे के माल मिलेगा वैसे तो, but yeah. Yes,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, actualize that only. Like if I'm happy about it, मुझे पता भी नहीं रहता है कि वो मिलने वाला है, and it just comes. It's very natural.
That is actualizing, sweetheart. That be that energy always.
Yes.
We go into anxiety, insecurity, and all the negativity, that we stop creating it and we stop having it.
Yeah, if I'm happy and excited about it, it just
Happens. Flows, right?
Flows. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, sir. ये इसकी recording group में डाल देंगे. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you for
lots
being
of
you,
magic
Kavita.
and
Thank you for being there. Bye, bye, bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.